Every year, technology pushes the limits of what we thought was possible, but some innovations are so groundbreaking that they have the power to change everything. From intelligent robots and futuristic vehicles to revolutionary energy solutions and next-generation AI systems, the future is unfolding right before our eyes. In this video, we're counting down 20 of the newest innovations making a huge impact around the world. These incredible inventions aren't just impressive, they're solving real-world problems, transforming industries, and redefining the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Get ready to discover some truly unbelievable tech that is pushing the boundaries of innovation and shaping the future faster than ever before. LimX Luna. LimX Luna is one of the most impressive humanoid robots unveiled in 2026, blending advanced robotics with AI-powered motion learning. Standing 160 centimeters tall and weighing 54 kilograms, Luna features 27 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform remarkably fluid movements, dances, and interactive gestures. One of its standout capabilities is video-to-motion AI, which lets the robot learn actions directly from uploaded videos. Luna also supports multimodal interaction, swarm control for over 200 robots, and up to 4 hours of battery life. Priced at approximately $41,000 RMB 298,000, Luna showcases the future of intelligent entertainment, commercial interaction, and humanoid robotics. Samsung Extractor Induction Hob. Samsung's Extractor Induction Hob is a futuristic kitchen innovation that combines a powerful induction cooktop with a built-in ventilation system, removing the need for a traditional overhead hood. It features flex zone technology for flexible cooking with multiple pan sizes, along with precise touch sliding controls for smooth operation. The integrated extractor delivers strong airflow of up to 575 cubic meters per h, efficiently removing steam, smoke, and odors directly at the source. With a sleek, flush-fit black glass design, it blends seamlessly into modern kitchens. Priced around $1,300, $1,500, this appliance represents Samsung's push towards smarter, cleaner, and more space-efficient cooking technology. Icon Titan Print System. Icon's Titan Print System is a breakthrough in construction technology, pushing 3D printing into large-scale, real-world building. This robotic system can print multi-story structures using advanced concrete layering, dramatically reducing construction time and labor requirements. According to Icon, Titan is capable of producing a 2,500 SQ FT home in under a week, with wall systems costing around $20 per SQ FT, making it significantly more efficient than traditional methods. The system includes the Titan printer, pump, and BuildOS software for full automation. Priced at approximately $899,000, it represents a high-end industrial innovation, shaping the future of affordable, scalable housing. Overland AI ULTRA. Overland AI ULTRA is one of the most advanced autonomous tactical vehicles in modern robotics, built to operate in extreme off-road and GPS-denied environments without human control. Designed for military applications, it can navigate forests, deserts, mud, and rocky terrain while carrying payloads of up to 1,000 pounds. The system uses Overland's overdrive autonomy stack, enabling real-time terrain perception and decision-making with speeds reaching around 35 miles per hour and a range of up to 100 miles. Estimated to cost in the range of several $100,000 per unit. ULTRA represents a major leap in AI-driven defense mobility and autonomous battlefield logistics. JCB Hydromax. JCB's Hydromax, HydroDig 110W platform, is a standout innovation in modern construction machinery, engineered for visibility, stability, and all-terrain mobility. It delivers around 81 kilowatts of engine power with an operating weight of roughly 11.5 tons, making it highly efficient for urban and industrial excavation tasks. With a digging depth of about 4.4 meters and travel speeds up to 40 kilometers per h, it combines road mobility with strong job site performance. Prices typically range from $70,000 to over $200,000 depending on configuration and condition. JCB Hydromax reflects a new generation of smart, operator-focused machines built for safer and more productive construction work. Unitree GD01. Unitree GD01 is one of the most extreme breakthroughs in modern robotics, pushing the concept of humanoid machines into a full-scale pilotable mecha. Designed as a 500 kilograms transformable robot, it can switch between bipedal walking and quadrupedal motion, allowing it to handle rough terrain with surprising agility. Standing nearly 11 feet tall, it features high-torque joint systems, hydraulic actuation, and a cockpit-based control interface for a human operator. With a reported starting price of around $650,000, GD01 is aimed at industrial exploration, defense simulation, and high-end robotics research. It represents a bold step toward real-world sci-fi engineering becoming reality. UBTECH Walker C1. UBTECH Walker C1 is one of the most advanced humanoid service robots in the latest wave of commercial robotics innovation, designed for real-world interaction in malls, airports, and exhibition spaces. It stands around 163 centimeters tall with 20 degrees of freedom, enabling smooth, human-like movement and expressive gestures. Powered by an embodied AI large model, it supports multilingual conversation, autonomous navigation, and real-time environment sensing through RGB and 3D vision systems. The robot operates for about 2-4 hours per charge and is priced at roughly $99,000. Walker C1 represents a major step towards practical AI-driven humanoid assistance in public environments. C-Rebro Alpha. C-Rebro Alpha is a next-generation AI-powered wearable designed to actively enhance sleep quality rather than just track it. This futuristic device combines neuroscience-based stimulation, biometric sensing, and real-time AI adjustments to guide users into deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. It monitors heart rate variability, oxygen levels, and sleep stages while delivering gentle neurostimulation through bone conduction technology. The sleek headband design makes it comfortable for overnight use and gives it a sci-fi aesthetic. Still in early stage production, it is expected to be priced around $250, $400 depending on the final configuration. C-Rebro Alpha represents a bold step toward AI-driven human wellness technology. Kynooe. Kynooe is one of the most exciting new innovations in personal robotics, introducing a fully modular AI-powered robotic arm designed for everyday users. Unlike traditional industrial robots, it focuses on accessibility, allowing users to control and customize it through a smartphone app without any coding skills. Its modular design lets users swap joints, grippers, and attachments for different tasks, like content creation, automation, and smart assistance. The system also includes AI features such as face tracking, object recognition, and gesture-based control, along with an open SDK for developers. Pricing is expected to start around $400 to $600, making it a strong entry-level platform for consumer robotics. Samsung Micro RGB 130-inch. Samsung's Micro RGB 130-inch TV is one of the most ambitious display innovations unveiled at CES 2026, pushing home entertainment into true cinematic territory. It features Micro RGB backlighting with microscopic red, green, and blue LEDs, delivering extremely precise color control and up to 100% BT.2020 color gamut coverage for ultra-realistic visuals. The massive 130-inch screen is designed with a timeless frame aesthetic, making it look like a floating architectural window rather than a traditional TV. It also includes AI-powered image processing, HDR optimization, and integrated smart features for immersive viewing. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, it is expected to sit in the ultra-premium range above $20,000. This TV represents Samsung's vision of merging art, AI, and display engineering into one futuristic experience. Specialized Crux 5. The Specialized Crux 5 represents a major leap into modern gravel racing, shifting away from cyclocross routes toward a pure, performance-focused machine. Built around a re-engineered lightweight carbon frame as low as -789G for S-Works builds, it emphasizes aerodynamics, speed, and stability with updated geometry and up to 55 mm tire clearance. The integration of a one-piece cockpit and internal cable routing improves airflow but reduces simplicity and serviceability. Performance gains include around 15 W aerodynamic improvement and a race-optimized 1X drivetrain setup. Pricing starts near $4,500 for entry builds and climbs to about $14,000 for top-tier S-Works versions. It's a cutting-edge, no-compromise gravel racer built for elite competition. TerraDynamics XP4 Transwing. The TerraDynamics XP4. Transwing is a breakthrough in VTOL UAV engineering, built around a patented folding wing transwing system that shifts between multi-rotor hover and efficient fixed-wing cruise. This hybrid design enables strong range, payload flexibility, and compact ground footprint without traditional runway requirements. The prototype measures about 6.6 feet in length with a 13.1 feet wingspan, uses 4 electric propulsors for vertical lift, and transitions to reduced drag forward flight using wing reconfiguration. Reported capabilities include autonomous operation, approximately 60 nautical mile range, and approximately 7 kg payload capacity depending on configuration. Pricing is not publicly fixed, as it remains a defense and industrial platform, with costs expected to vary significantly by mission package and scale. TerraMow X AWD. The TerraMow X AWD is a next-generation autonomous lawnmower pushing the boundaries of AI-driven yard automation. It introduces a turn-free shuttle drive system, allowing bidirectional mowing that reduces turf damage while improving efficiency. Built on a rugged all-wheel drive chassis, it handles steep slopes up to 90% and rough terrain with ease. A 900W triple motor, 20-inch cutting deck delivers strong cutting power, paired with a 6-camera TerraVision 2.0 AI system for precise navigation and obstacle avoidance. It supports up to approximately 7 acres coverage depending on battery configuration, with approximately 3-6 hours runtime and fast charging. Pricing is not officially confirmed yet, expected around the mid-$2,000 plus range. BMW Motorrad Vision K1. The BMW Motorrad Vision K1 is a futuristic reimagining of BMW's iconic sport touring lineage, blending aerodynamic aggression with advanced engineering philosophy. Inspired by the original K-Series heritage, it is expected to feature a high-performance inline-4 or evolved K-Series powertrain concept, emphasizing efficiency, stability, and long-distance speed. The design showcases fully integrated bodywork, active aerodynamics, and a low-drag silhouette that prioritizes highway cruising and high-speed comfort. Digital cockpit systems and rider assist tech push it into next-generation mobility territory. As a concept, official production specs and pricing have not been released, but industry expectations place it in the premium futuristic prototype category, likely influencing future BMW sport tourers rather than entering immediate sale. Xynova Flex 2. The Xynova Flex 2 represents a new wave in advanced robotics, built around a hybrid cable-driven plus direct drive actuator system that significantly improves dexterity and response control. It integrates multimodal sensing, vision, force, and tactile feedback, allowing highly precise manipulation with sub-millimeter accuracy and adaptive grip behavior. Designed for industrial and research-grade applications, it focuses on reliability, repeatability, and scalable production rather than experimental prototypes. Its lightweight structure and improved torque efficiency make it suitable for real-world automation tasks. As a cutting-edge robotics platform, official consumer pricing is not fixed, but industry estimates place it in the high-end industrial robotics segment, likely tens of thousands of dollars per unit depending on configurations. Hyundai Atlas. The Hyundai Atlas, often associated with Hyundai's next-generation large SUV EV concept direction and not yet a fully standardized global production model, represents Hyundai's push toward a more rugged, software-defined mobility platform. The design philosophy focuses on a boxy, utility-first body, enhanced aerodynamics, and a high-rigidity EV-compatible skateboard chassis. Expected specs include dual-motor AWD variants, advanced driver assist systems, Level 2 plus to early Level 3 capability in concept form, and a long-range battery architecture targeting roughly 450-550 kilometers, depending on configuration. As an innovation concept, pricing has not been officially confirmed, but industry positioning suggests a premium full-size SUV bracket likely starting around $55,000 plus, depending on trim and market rollout strategy. Teledyne FLIR 125. The Teledyne FLIR. First Look 125 represents a major leap in throwable reconnaissance robotics, designed for frontline intelligence in extreme environments. Built as a compact, 2.6 kilograms rugged UGV, it can be thrown through windows or into confined spaces and remains operational even after 5-meter drops with self-righting capability. Its tracked mobility and articulated flippers allow it to navigate rubble, stairs, and tight interiors with stability. Equipped with advanced EOIR cameras, integrated lighting, and two-way audio, it delivers real-time situational awareness in GPS-denied conditions. Pricing is not publicly fixed, as it is a defense-grade system, but it is expected to fall in the high-end professional defense robotics range, typically tens of thousands of dollars per unit, depending on configuration. Lynx S10. The Deep Robotics, Lynx S10 marks a significant step forward in wheel-leg hybrid robotics designed for high-mobility operations across industrial inspection, security, and emergency response scenarios. As part of the Lynx series' next evolution, it combines wheeled speed with legged adaptability, enabling seamless transitions across flat ground, rubble, and stair-like terrain. According to early launch data, the Lynx S10 features advanced multi-sensor fusion, LiDAR plus vision system, AI-driven autonomous navigation and real-time SLAM mapping, allowing precise movement in GPS-denied environments. It is engineered for all-weather deployment with ruggedized protection and long-endurance battery architecture optimized for field missions. Pricing has not been officially confirmed, but industry positioning suggests a mid to high industrial robotics range, likely in the tens of thousands of dollars depending on configuration and payload options. Asimov V1. Asimov V1 is a cutting-edge open-source humanoid robotics platform designed for researchers and advanced builders. Standing 1.2 meters tall and weighing around 35 kilograms, it features 25 plus 2 degrees of freedom, integrated sensors and a modular compute stack using Raspberry Pi 5 and RADSA CM5. Built for experimentation, it supports data collection, teleoperation, and basic walking via pre-trained policies. The DIY kit is priced at roughly $15,000, with full self-sourcing options also available. While not a consumer-ready robot, it represents a major step toward accessible, customizable, humanoid robotic systems for labs and developers worldwide exploring embodied AI. Bienesis Smart Canopy. The Bienesis Smart Canopy is an advanced agri-tech innovation designed for precision viticulture, offering automated crop protection against frost, hail, heat stress, and heavy rainfall. Built with a retractable, sensor-driven structure integrated into vineyard rows, it deploys only when weather risks are detected. The system is solar-powered, remotely controlled via a mobile app, and engineered for minimal visual impact while preserving natural airflow. Specs include modular 6-meter canopy sections, wind resistance up to 50 miles per hour, and smart environmental sensors. Pricing is estimated at a premium industrial level, typically customized per vineyard, often ranging in the tens of thousands per hectare.